Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon FBA account for online product profit beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up your Amazon FBA account, start by visiting the Amazon Seller Central website. Click on the Register Now button to begin the registration process. Choose between an individual or professional seller account. Select the professional option if you plan to sell more than 40 items a month. Fill in your name, email address, and create a password. Provide business information, including your business name and address. Input your phone number and verify it through the code sent by Amazon. Next, enter your tax information to meet legal requirements. You will need to provide your social security number or employer identification number. Upload any necessary identifying documents, such as your driver's license. Now, link your bank account for receiving payments. Make sure to have your bank account number and routing number ready. Once you have filled in all fields, review the information for accuracy. Submit your application and await email confirmation from Amazon. After approval, log into your account and navigate to the Inventory tab. Set up FBA by selecting the Fulfilled by Amazon option. Next, add products you wish to sell by clicking on Add a Product. Search for the product. Once you find your product, follow the prompts to set it up for FBA. Choose your pricing strategy, ensuring it is competitive yet profitable. Decide on inventory quantity and select your shipping plan. After confirmation, print your shipping labels. Pack your products according to Amazon's packaging guidelines. Then, ship your products to the designated Amazon Fulfillment Center. Monitor your inventory levels and adjust your pricing as needed. Prepare for your products to go live and start generating profits. With these steps completed, you are now set up for Amazon FBA success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.